Or to simplify, I would first use my distributive property. Negative 4x plus 3x minus 6. I'm a lefty, sorry. And I don't apologize for that. I'm a lefty. Work with me. Is 3x minus 2. Then I would combine like terms. So this negative 4x plus 3x is negative x minus 6 is greater than 3x minus 2. I would get rid of my extra variable. So I'm going to add x here, which through my inverse operations and addition property of equality. And I get negative 6 is greater than 4x minus 2. Why is this hard? Then I need to get rid of my constant using inverse operations plus 2. Addition property of equality says add on both sides. Negative 6, so 0 minus 6 plus 2 gives me negative 4. It's greater than 4x. Then I'm going to divide by my coefficient in order to cancel it. That's an inverse. And division property of equality says divide by 4 here. And I get negative 1 is greater than x. Now, I did not flip my sign even though it's a negative here because I did not divide by a negative. This coefficient has to be negative when I divide in order for me to flip my sign. Okay. Now, I can do it in the calculator, so I can go to graph. Can go to graph, relation, so delete the equal, choose 6. I'll get a picture, and then I'll do menu 5, 1. That's my negative 1 there. And the shading is on the left side, pointing that way. So I would write x is, point the arrow or the symbol to the left, less than negative 1. This is the same thing. If negative 1 is greater than x, then x is less than negative 1. If negative 1 is taller than x, then x is shorter than negative 1. So negative 1 is greater than x is less than negative 1.